Ladies, it's time to talk about an embarrassing problem that a lot of us have: urinary incontinence. If you're not sure what that is, let me ask you these questions. Do you have to get up during the night to go to the bathroom? Do you experience bladder leaks when you jump, laugh, cough, or sneeze? Do you shy away from taking long trips because you won't be able to visit the bathroom every couple hours? Do you have to deal with the discomfort and embarrassment of wearing pads or lady diapers to catch those bladder leaks? If any of these issues sound familiar, there is a new solution which could change your life. It's called the O-Shot. The O-Shot uses your body's own healing powers to regenerate the tissue that's involved with your urinary system. Here's how it works. We use PRP, platelet-rich plasma, which is extracted out of your own blood. PRP is full of growth factors. These growth factors, when injected into a specific area of the body, signal that area to start healing and regenerating. When you receive the O-Shot, it takes less than half an hour. Our OBGYN nurse practitioner makes this procedure virtually painless. Your symptoms can completely change within one treatment, although for some women a second treatment is suggested. Think of what life could be like with more confidence. Most women don't talk about this embarrassing problem, so please help us spread the word. Share this with your friends, and if you need help, visit us online or call